Ekiombe kia Teresa ime ya Kenya gose Association of Sisters of Kenya nigo litkulia rero kiagikeria egekore ekigia korekana asense melia ya Nyamira asomosbati aruanigwa ase oboina ensemo.
I am Sister Mary Georgina Shtambasi, Sisters of the Blessed Virgin, a human rights teacher and a safeguarder of the minors and vulnerable adults. I represent here the Association of the Sisterhoods of Kenya. The Association of the Sisterhoods of Kenya, AOSK, strongly condemns the heinous and inhumane assault on a widow in Nyamira County. This act of brutality is not only a violation of human dignity, but also a grave injustice that goes against the principles of compassion, respect, and the rule of law. As women of faith, educators, peacemakers, and defenders of human rights, we denounce this barbaric attack and call for immediate action to bring the perpetrators to justice. No woman should suffer violence, humiliation, or oppression under any circumstance.
Kwa majina ni Sister Veronica Nasimiyu kutoka shirika la dada wadogo wa Mtakatifu Francisco wa Asisi, nikiwa safeguarder wa watoto na wazee kutoka maboma yetu. Sisi kama muungano wa watawa tunasisitiza jamii iachane na mila potovu za kudhulumu binadamu. Mila hizi zimepitwa na wakati na hatuwezi rudi nyuma kwa sababu ya wachache ambao wamekataa kujiondoa katika hizo mila. Mila zinapaswa kukuza heshima na upendo na kuwakinga watu wote, hasa wanyonge.
Marietane kurukumeri ke munturatemo nonde ke ombeke kyo molembe tore na basista abagaka nabangina bono egekore kigia korekana ari Nyamira getogeje timono intubu naba abangina nabagaka igongo tebaiga kemira nke yokyo mugusi kiana gokore bintu buna biri ekero omuntu akuruta maraba niga akuruta maraba soko musani oyo mwanchi oyo okwaeli uso mwana oyo tali asekemira kende gyonsi kere usekera rentera na senka igo ingonku batebya abantu bamintu mumanyiga tiga totwara obosibore ka abangina obosibore ka abaswati obosibore ekero bare ndete chinka cyabo nabaro bamanya namayene mbare n'obosibore umusubati buno yoga akora biyaga cyakoye niyo mugako yasoko mokwaeli ari Nyamira rora bone bintu bigokore nago itwa akobekirwa maraba monu eitali encherengiya.
AOSK Kisii unit calls for urgent intervention to safeguard the rights and dignity of widows and all vulnerable members of society. We appeal to the government and relevant institutions to implement stronger measures to protect women from violence and discrimination. We also encourage communities to embrace a culture of peace, respect, and justice. No woman should live in fear, and all those affected by this barbaric act. May justice prevail, and may our society reject violence and all its forms, embracing a future to build love. The Bible says, "Let us be our brothers' keepers."